What is going on, guys? We are back here for another video. As you can see, I'm editing the video for this one yet again. We actually filmed both of these together, the previous video. You should definitely check it out. It'll be right here. Installing the Manzo exhaust on my buddy's Miata. I actually filmed both of these together and intended on making them into a single video. But for whatever reason, I just didn't feel like making it that long and it was hard to title, so I split them up. So this is the intro for this video. We just did some stuff on the Z and changed the valve cover on Jason's ZG hatch. So there's a lot of cool stuff in this video. You should absolutely stay tuned for it. And yeah, so we're gonna get on to that. This is the race car home. Dude, I freaking love it. Kind of wanted to pull the R in the driveway just because then it would look badass, but then we'd have like be a little cramped for space. So that's all from my old car. And then we got tires and Jax and me and Steven and Yada and oh yeah, let's check this thing out. So we got what is this? HTR, yeah.
And the work spell hub and quick release.
Yes. Looks beautiful. We have a Momo steering wheel for now. It's just a borrowed one until his comes in. What did you get for steering wheel?
OMP Suede. I don't know which one though.
Yeah. Looking good. Z's getting full on track car. You guys probably remember my Corolla, the old Corolla that I had. I actually sold it to him. So now he's going full track car with this thing. And we're looking for some good stuff in 2020 here.
And we're all going on the journey of weight reduction, both cars and people.
Yep.
That's legal.
So I officially got authorization to show what's in here. It's a B18C1 block with a VTEC head. I believe it's the B18C head as well, right?
It's
just the whole
stock.
B18C
it's a GSR,
motor.
so it does
Okay, so it's a
VTEC.
GSR motor.
Yeah.
And then B16 trans from the SI. And yeah, so it's actually barred, so it's fully legal. Has everything it needs to. And so we're replacing the valve cover gasket on it because that was leaking. And then it's having idle issues, so we're going to clean up that ISCV. And I might pull the throttle body, clean that too. We'll see. But yeah, this is Jason's car. We'll do a full overview at some point, but for the sake of filming, this is a little overview. We're scraping off the old gasket maker that somebody decided to use, which kind of sucks. Are you having fun just sitting in the trunk?
Actually quite comfortable.
What are you doing? Oh, harnesses?
Fixing the harness.
The seats on the back, no, it's loose.
Oh, yeah, we don't want loose harnesses. We gotta wash your car, dude.
Well, I might actually do that tonight.
That'd be good. I need to wash mine. She's dirty.
I'm not done yet.
Steven washing
Yeah,
his car? Unheard of.
How's that gasket scraping going, Jason?
Time of my life.
I'm gonna steal your oil dipstick.
Go ahead.
Just kidding.
Just yoink it.
Yeah, I'm just gonna put it in.
now.
Imagine going home
I
without
don't need that.
Can't burn
freaking.
oil if you don't have none.
That's right. It's leaking it. It's still got oil in it. Therefore, it is good. So since we're all working on our cars, or I guess I'm kind of like running back and forth and helping everybody, we have nobody to film. So we're kind of lacking on this a little bit, but I got all the things in Jason's valve cover, and we're almost done. He's almost done scraping all this stuff off. Tyler's taking off his door panel so we can see why his power locks don't work. Yes, this Miata has power locks, one of a kind. And then we are taking Steven's seat out so we can adjust the seatbelt. Or I guess we're putting it back in now. You done? Nice.
So I need to loop through.
Quick and easy. Make sure to test fit it so you can make sure it's good.
Well, I don't need a test fit.
Oh, you got it good? Yeah. All right, cool. So that's good. And yeah, I think we are trying to con a friend of mine to come over and film for us. So we'll update as we proceed. Do a little cleaning on this IACV. You can see the protector shield here is pretty clean. If you can kind of see in there, it's much cleaner than it was before. Had some dirt come out, so hopefully we can get it to stop sticking so his car's not freaking idling at like 2.5K, making it seem like he wants to race people. And if it doesn't work, then we'll get a replacement. And if that doesn't work, then we'll figure something else out. So yeah, how's that door panel coming?
I got most of it.
You got it?
being retarded, but we can get to the lock, so it doesn't matter.
Okay, as long as you can get to the locks, we're good. And I'll take a look at that now and see why it doesn't
We'll
lock.
test it.
Yes.
Oh, it's broken.
Wait, do it again? Okay, yeah, I can see the thing just came out, so we can fix that super easy. Slick. This is why his power locks weren't working. The little module here came out of the adapter for where it goes into this for the lock. So now we put it back in there. As soon as we can get the screw, it'll work again. Thing. This is real interesting. Jason.
Hey, do you want to send me the video?
What's up?
He's standing in his engine. This is why we love swapped Civics, because you can actually do this if you don't have AC.
Watch
That's
Kelvin
fair.
do
But
it.
he's small.
Well, you could fit him into that crack.
Yeah. Maybe not quite that small. I mean, I don't know. I guess if you tried hard enough, if you took off the intake manifold, you could fit
Oh,
back
whoa,
there.
what's this?
What?
Is that hole supposed to be there?
Where? Oh yeah, that's fine. That's probably just an oil gallery.
Oh, okay.
It looks stuck.
Oh, yeah.
Can't be yours. You don't have to get all of that out because that's not really on the sealing surface. Just make sure to get all the flat stuff off here. It's like there was a little extra there and here, and then right there. And as long as all that's good, you're good.
All right.
How's the seat going, Steven?
It's going.
Need any help?
No.
Okay.
A couple last bolts. That's it.
It's looking good. Seatbelt's good.
They're well adjusted.
Harnesses are tightened. I love how we have zip ties. Oh, well, actually, I see what they did. I was hoping they didn't zip tie it on there, but
No, basically that just keeps them from moving side to side.
that makes sense.
This
Perfect.
way when you're driving, they don't move to the side and like chafe you on your neck.
Yeah, it's probably a little safer too. That way, if you ever were to move, the seatbelts don't like slide out.
Yes.
What's up?
He has a question for you.
Yeah.
The hole that's clogged with sealant.
Yes, Jason. Is the hole clogged on the other side? What's up?
She's pretty clogged, that hole there.
That one?
Yeah, what is that hole even for?
It's probably not for anything. I wouldn't really worry about it because you can see on this side, it's kind of the same thing.
But is it clogged?
No, it doesn't seem to go anywhere. The oil drains are not there, so that's not really a big deal. The oil drain should be down, like, in this area somewhere. Valve cover. What the heck, man?
You said you wanted to get that other one to give you some content.
The valve cover's back on. We're just gonna put the new caps on, throw away all these old crappy caps, and put the new nuts on, or the same nuts, I guess. But then we'll be all ready to bolt it back up. That's right, you drink that coffee. I love how he just backs out of the driveway at like full send speed.
Because look how much clearance he has.
I know.
It's not like our cars where we're low. Actually, I don't know if you noticed, I didn't straight this time.
I know you didn't.
That makes me very happy.
So here we are. The valve cover's back on. It's torqued properly. Oh, we need to clean your belt. We got some nasty stuff on your belt.
Didn't you get a new belt? Yeah.
It's for the alternator. I'm not down to do a tiny belt on a Honda today. Because you have to like, since they're not interference motors, you can't let the cams move.
Oh, no, like a Miata.
Yeah, Miatas are non-interference too. If you mess it up, it'll still start. If you mess that up, it'll bend your valves. Same with your car. It's an interference motor.
I'm not getting a new chain on my car anytime soon.
Yeah, you shouldn't need to. Just decided to do a little bit of cleaning on Jason's wheels. It looks so much better. I mean, they're kind of shiny right now only because they're wet from the pressure washer, but they were like the off grime with brake dust. And I used a little bit of the Car Pro Iron X. Oh, I just knocked it off. Oh, I just sprayed myself with it. That's great. That stuff smells so bad. Don't try to show off stuff in your videos because that obviously doesn't work. Anyways, use that, clean it up. Looks good now. Jason's a happy camper. And motor's all back together, looking good. And yeah, I mean, you can see the seats, those are dried. I mean, they look better, but still not perfect. But yeah, so got quite a bit of stuff done today. Got the valve cover changes on Jason's car, got it all cleaned up. Kind of fixed the ICV idle issue. It still has a little problem here and there, but seems to be good for the most part. Wheels clean, fixed Tyler's power locks, got Steven's seat done. The list goes on and on. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you haven't subscribed to the channel already, definitely subscribe, browse the other videos, check out what's new, what's old. Leave a comment if you want to have any suggestions for what to do next. Definitely share this video and other videos on the channel. And stay tuned. We're gonna be having some more R content. I'm have a couple things in the works that I'd like to get for it. Jason's car is probably gonna be here quite often.
Yeah.
It needs some love, but that's okay. All good built cars need love in the beginning. And definitely gonna be quite a few more track days. Got one coming up on February 9th, and so I'll try and get that all done up and gonna go to the track, have some fun, enjoy some time with friends, and yeah. So see you guys in the next video. Peace out.